So it's a good thing we stopped here, because Al's mower, the reason the yard looks like this at the moment, look at this. Damage. How was that even happen? What?
I don't know, it just broke while I was mowing.
You ever had this happen before? Now, as excited as I am to rip in with the flymo, I'm going to start with the trimmer. Otherwise we're going to make a big mess and it won't be clean and tidy, because we're still got to do a decent job. Don't be expecting pretty here, because it's pretty much all dirt and weed. No jerky movement, please. There's quite a few rocks in there. Imagine breaking a window on a free mow. That'd be good. So it works. There we go. I think that's all the trimming done, isn't it? Pretty much, yeah. How much power we got left? I used 1 bar for that job. It's good for edging. I just can't get the balance. The weight is in the head of this thing, and that is the hardest thing. Obviously, because the motor's there, that's where the weight's going to be, but I just can't get the hang of it personally. It just feels foreign to me. I'm sure if I used it for a long period of time, I'd get used to it, but yeah. Now we get to use the flymo. Maybe I should blow first. Okay, we're on a mission. I borrowed Nicole today, and she's got to get back soon for work, so we are really pumping this out. Now, my mum made me mow the lawn with one of these as a child, and it's scarred me since. It's got no wheels. I mean, well, technically it does. These things, I guess they're transportation ones. It's a plug-in electric hover mower, I guess. It has a single bar blade, which I might unplug that before I start playing with it.
Good idea.
It's quite sharp. Now, the only way you change the height of cut, it's got these plastic spacers. So you take this nut off, take the bar off, and either add or take away spacers. That's the only way you change the height of cut. So it's really made for very small yards if you're mowing very regularly. I don't know what it'll do on here, but we're going to find out. It's going to be a bit of fun. And how ridiculous is it that we're doing it with portable power? All right, here we go. Now, I was a little lazy last night and didn't charge it. Had to charge it quickly this morning, and we're at 92%. So we're at 92%. I'm gonna plug in the flymo. I made that look harder than it is. I was always scared of these things as a kid. I used to carry this over my shoulder. I was dead certain I was going to kill myself running over the cable. Let's hope that doesn't happen today. All right, here we go. Let's fire it up.
Wait one second.
All the power. It's working, it won't take all that long.
Yeah. Everything through.
It's bringing back some awful memories though. I think this is the reason why I like buying new, expensive, heavy
powered
duty
equipment without cables.
I think, yeah, because I was scarred as a child having to use stuff like this. Sorry?
Why have you unplugged it?
I didn't. This is what I used to do.
Okay.
I used to do it because it used to always come undone. I'd tie it in a knot. Should we get Al out and see if he wants to have a go? You want to ring the doorbell? Hold that over your shoulder. Just hold that in, press the button, and you're away. It's annoying, isn't it?
Yeah, no,
I'll hold
right.
the cord for you.
No, that's right. So,
and then I just sort of go back and forth, and then hold that in all the time,
okay.
and then press the button, and it'll start.
Okay.
all right. Thank you.
Beautiful. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, Al.
Yeah, sure.
If I see you buy one, I'm going to be disappointed. A mulcher, it is not. So this is the longest and nastiest bit we've got today. Let's see how it goes. can't believe we got, I mean, I can believe we got through it. It's a mower. We paid money for it, you would expect that. But yeah, let's get it blown down, cleaned up, and then we'll check how much battery we've got left. Battery check. 67%, not sure if you can see that. Got the edges done, you can see the witness marks there. The edges were quite far out. Trimmer's okay. Obviously it's not a bagged finish, but his mower's broken, so it's helped him out today. We got to make a fun video. What do you think, mate?
Oh, looks good.
Yeah?
Great, yeah.
Obviously
Wow.
it's not a bagged finish or anything, but
No,
you know, it's tidied it up. It gets you over till you get your mower fixed anyway.
Yeah, thank you.
So it was perfect that we knocked on your door.